This is Sam, and he posted his first video 4 months ago with 0 followers, with 0 editing experience, and he screenshotted last week a payout bigger than people's rent. And no, he's not special, he just found the part of the internet where clippers are actually getting paid what they're worth. Everyone starts the same way. You find something funny on the internet, put some captions on it, and then post it on TikTok and Instagram. And hope it hits. Hope that the algorithm likes you today. That's not a career. That's a coin flip you keep losing every fucking time. It's a cycle of endless content creation with minimal unpredictable returns, leaving you feeling like you're constantly chasing a ghost. Let's do the math on why the coin flip is rigged against you. Let's say you got lucky and you get 4 million views on a normal platform with a CPM starting from 0.05 cents to 0.10 cents per 1k views. On a normal platform, that would be around $200 to $400 paid. Meanwhile, the platform made more money with your video selling premium ads. You did all the work for them, provided the engaging content, and they reaped the majority of your rewards. It's fundamentally unfair exchange. And today I'm showing you exactly where that is. And right now, three things are stacking against clippers at the same time. CPMs keep getting cut quietly every few months, lowering your potential earning. Copyright strikes are more aggressive than ever, with channels getting nuked with zero warning, destroying months or even years of effort. And AI reposting accounts are ripping your exact clip and floating it back into the feed before you even has a chance to breathe, stealing your views, your potential income. It's a constant battle against the system designed to benefit everyone but you. Here's what most clippers never stop to ask. Who's actually making money off your video going viral? And it's not the platform, not really. It's the streamer, the podcaster, the brand whose content you clipped. Your work is making them bigger, driving traffic and engagement to their main channels. So why is the platform the one who's cutting you a check for pennies when you're providing so much value to the original creator? If the person actually benefiting from your clip is the original creator or the brand, the obvious move is to get paid by them directly, right? The middleman completely. So why doesn't everyone do that already? Because most people don't know that these deals exist. So brands and creators are running live campaigns right now saying we'll pay you per thousand views directly, no contract, no platform cut. You just make a clip, follow the brief, and get paid based on how it performs. No, this isn't some secret club. It's an open market where skilled content creators know how to present value. Now let's redo the math with that exact setup. That same 4 million views, except now you're getting paid dollar, two, three for every 1,000 views instead of point something per 1k. And now that $300 magically became 5 figures. You posted the same exact clip, you put the same effort, and you get completely new outcome just because of where you posted and who is paying. Imagine financial freedom and stability with high value payouts for your work. And it's not just theoretical. We've seen countless and countless success stories on our platform. From people who made their first dollar online to people who made their first 100, first 1k, first 10k, and more, doing just what they love to do. Here's actually what separates the ones who make a bank, and the others who barely made $50 a month. First, follow the brief. Ignoring it is the number one reason why people get rejected and earn nothing. The brief is your roadmap to success. Second, post volume, not masterpieces. 10 decent clips can outperform the one who you spend all day long creating it. So sometimes quantity is better than a quality. Number three, nail the first 3 seconds of your video. That's the whole game before anyone actually sees the whole video. Hook them immediately or they're gone. Post the same clip everywhere. I'm talking TikTok, YouTube, shorts, reels, X videos, and you have multiple income streams with low effort. How? You create one video, post it to TikTok, to YouTube, to Reels, X, and all of this, for example, this one pays $1, this three, and this one. And then combine all of them and pay out flaws to your account. Match the tone of the campaign that you're doing. Match the branding, match the tone, because you're borrowing their audience. So act like it. Understand their brand voice. What this means is you need to post when people are actually online. If you're posting for the American audience, the timing significantly have impact on that, and you will get a lot of views. Optimize your captions and hashtags. Don't just throw them in. Research what's trending and relevant to the content and the target audience. This is crucial for discoverability. Engage with comments. Build a community around your clips, even if small, can lead to higher retention and more shares. A campaign actually paying, there's two directions to go. First, you can stack more briefs and run more clips yourself. Same effort, multiple income streams. The more successful campaigns you run, the more opportunities will come your way. And second, you can build a small team, take a cut of what earned, and run it like an agency instead of doing everything yourself. This allows you to leverage others' skills and scale your operation exponentially, turning your clipping success into a full-fledged business. One way to torture this, faking your views count or ignoring the rules completely, can ruin everything because it gets caught, and it doesn't just cost you one deal, it can lock you out of for the future one too. Integrity is paramount in this business. Once lost, it's nearly impossible to regain. So here's what you can do. Number one, read the brief. Number two, post volume. Number three, win the hook. Number four, cross post everything. Match the vibe, optimize captions, engage, and that's it. And that's the whole unlock most clippers never figure out. So if you want to start this, we have a link in the description down below where you can start. And also, you have a video right here that is explaining how you can start one of these two businesses.